Hi, this is a tutorial on how to create a device booking system using Google Form and add-ons such as Choice Eliminator, and another one is a Google Sheet add-on known as Event-o-Matic. So let's start with a form. So we can call this as a device booking form. Description is optional. You can just fill in this form to book your device. The first question could be collect a name of respondent, short answer, make that a requirement. And the next one, the crucial one, is the choice of device. We'll make this as a drop-down style. Okay. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, and item 5 for the sake of this example. And another one, I could add location, maybe. I'll put that as short answer, required, start time, start date, sorry. It will automatically change to date, make it required. And another one is end date, also required. You can always add another question like any other requirements or something like that. It's entirely up to you. Requirements. You don't have to put it as required. And that's about it. This is an example. All right, what's the next step will be to get in the add-ons, which is called Choice Eliminator. Okay, how do you get that? Is you just go to these 3 dots here and click add-ons. And on the search bar here, you can type in Choice Eliminator. Okay. Click on the first one here. I already have this in my Google form. So what you do next is just go back to the Choice Eliminator and click on Configure. And this one will pop out. There's some notes here. It says instead of multiple choice, use drop down. Okay, that's why I used the drop down option earlier. And close. All right. Form response. This is the one that you want to click. This is what I want to eliminate the choices from the title device here. So, which means that whenever someone has clicked on item 1, that means the next booking session there won't be any item 1. So it's eliminated. Therefore, it will prevent any double booking. So that's done. Okay, I can close that. Now, let's see how it looks like if it's, let's just do a preview on that. Oh, hang on, before that, I would like to make, I would like to collect what do you call that, email for easier reference or correspondence. So I'll just go to the setting here in your form. So I'll just click on collect email address. This is entirely up to you. I would like to, I don't want to limit to one response, so I'll just collect email address. You can click this one or whatever that is. I don't have to take that. Okay, so there's an email address. Let's preview this form one more time. Okay. All right, we're on the device booking form. Let's just do a random. For example, I want item 1. Location is in class 40. Date is today. I'll return that in another week. Next week. No. So click on submit. Okay. Now go back to the editing form. So I have one response here. I'll just click on the spreadsheet that where the response will be generated. And just wait for that. Okay, so this is the responses. You can rename this form if you want to. So I'll have all this the form responses here. What I will do now is I will go to an add-ons. I'll get an add-ons called Event-o-Matic. Just hang on, still populating. Okay, we're going to get another add-ons called Event-o-Matic. If you don't have it already, you can get add-ons and type and the add-ons if it's called Event-o-Matic. This one will trigger the form responses here, and based on the form responses, it should trigger the the responses to send a calendar invitation. Okay, so how it works is once you've installed it, click on Setup on Event-o-Matic, and this thing will pop out. Well, just create Setup. Okay, it will show you step by step. You can choose which calendar you want to use. For this example, I'll just use my own calendar, which calendar it will be sending to, and form responses, which is the one that we will receive from the respondents. And I think just click on the next step. Now this is very important. You have to make sure that the column contains from the whatever you want it to be. Hang on. Okay, I could put it as a name, event title. I could write or maybe I can just change it to device. Event description. Wait, hang on. I could write as hang on. List. Okay, I'll just see. Select the column for event description. I could just write the name, guest list. only email address that is collected, location, yeah, just the same thing. All right, I want it to be sending invitation to guests, so send to event guests may trigger spam. Okay, thank you for the warning. Now, okay, I won't create a full day event, just date and time in one column. For example, okay, that's fine. This one will be for start date, and this one will be for the end date, which is already in the form. I guess that's all right. Next. Okay, let's just review. Spreadsheet column. Okay, let's just preview how it looks like when events created. Oh, yeah, it will look something like this. So this is what item I have booked, my name, so the person, okay, the guests, and I think we're done with the setting. All right. Okay, now this will create this what do you call this? It will be from this side, it will be triggered and it will send a calendar invitation to the respondents as well as me. So let's see how it looks like. You have that. Take some time. Yeah, so this is from the respondents or the one who booked side, and the calendar invitation is already received here for the booking for item 1. I click yes, and I can also view it on Google Calendar. So it looks something like this. And okay, it is it is this one, item 1, and all the details are there. I have clicked yes, and guys, and this is from my site telling me that the respondents has accepted the invitation, received and accepted. Okay, just a quick form filling here to just show you how the choice eliminator works. So for example, I'm gonna do another booking. You see here item 1 is already gone. That means I can only book item 2 up till 5. So that's how the choice eliminator add-on works, and to prevent double booking.